Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video here on Sonic. Previously Phantom of course, or S, that's the name of the ticker right now. Wanted to do a full update. We've seen some strong momentum come in since yesterday evening, so I wanted to give you my thoughts on that strength and what to expect in general from Sonic. I mean, obviously it's been a very bullish crypto back in February, but since the 21st of February, as you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we've turned bearish. And that's the current situation for Sonic as well. What you can see is that from this level right here at 50 cents, strong psychological level, of course, we have actually seen somewhat of a bounce. But ultimately, and you can also see that, I mean, this is a real bounce, right? I mean, you can also see, especially when the support level was defended, we gained quite a lot of volume. However, what you can see right now is that it's a difficult situation for Sonic, right? I mean, we also gained some momentum here, so that's all great. And the initial bounce right here was short closing, so those are also out of the price. But like I said, if you take a look at the structure here, excuse my nose, but if you take a look at the structure, what you had is a very strong uptrend here. However, the first bearish breakdown occurred right here at the end of February. We had one bearish breakdown. There you can also see that the trend bands and the EMAs just in general also stopped functioning as support, whereas first of all they did. And then with the bearish pressure we had on Monday, we actually dropped down below the next support level right here around 65 cents. So ultimately getting two bearish breakdowns like that, and all the lower lows and lower highs we've seen so far, that makes this a downtrend. And why that matters is because we need to find some sort of, alright, well, we have some strength coming in right now, but we have to ask ourselves, well, is that enough strength to actually break the downtrend? And my answer to that at this point of time is no. Alright. Excuse me, I'm still a little bit, I still have a bit of a cold or something. But what you can see is that there was this huge growth in TVL since the 21st of February. And even right now, the TVL is still very high, right? So they're still doing something very well. And I think the fundamentals for Sonic are still solid. Like if you want to farm the airdrop, I would definitely recommend that. But the TVL is no longer growing. Or at least it's no longer net growing. It does seem to me that there's some sort of growth in TVL, because what's very often the truth is that the TVL, you can see right here that the total dollar amount that's locked is in the token of the network. All right, so most of the value locked is in the S token, and the S token has fallen quite a lot from the top right here, almost 50%, while the TVL has actually remained relatively stable. So that's a positive. But ultimately, what you still need is technical strength. All right, and what you can see right now, excuse me, is that both in open interest right here, there's a bit of an increase, but it's definitely nothing yet compared to the bullish momentum we had in the middle of February. So we don't really have that leverage momentum to push up the price and cause a bullish breakout. And then if you take a look at the volume is dropping down. All right, the volume is down 0.6%, so it's not a huge volume drop. But there's also no major increase in volume, which is usually what you do need. Again, taking a look at the move we had in the middle of February, to get that bullish breakout. All right, so Bitcoin looks quite good here. That will provide some strength here. And in general, we do have some momentum coming in here. But I think it's more likely that we'll continue short-term the bullish momentum. But that at this level right here at 63, 64, 66, maybe a little bit higher, we'll find resistance. And we'll drop back down. And we will either consolidate or drop down lower, depending on the rest of the markets. But for now, I would say it's most likely we'll be able to find some sort of stability and a consolidation. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.